Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable and use the waiting room feature in Zoom, for instance, to place participants of your Zoom meetings in a waiting room before joining the actual meeting. So let us get started. Now log into your account on Zoom, for instance via Google Chrome, and what you want to do guys is enter your account settings. To do that, take a look at that panel here to the left and head over to settings here at the bottom. After that, here in your general settings, scroll down a bit till you get to the waiting room feature and simply enable it here to the right. After that, launch the Zoom Workplace application on your device, launch a new meeting by clicking on that button here. After that, go through a short setup. So for the sake of this tutorial and to not bore you, let me skip that setup and launch the meeting instantaneously by clicking on Start here. And after that, the given Zoom meeting will start. So what you want to do guys is place participants or contacts you invited to the meeting here, for instance by using a shareable invitation link in a waiting room. And if the waiting room feature is enabled, you as the meeting host will be given the opportunity to admit each meeting participant individually to the meeting. At the same time guys, participants will not be given the opportunity to join the meeting before the host actually, so bear that in mind. And that's basically it guys, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.